Yeah, welcome WVP stars. For the main course, we're gonna do a dish with lamb. Different parts of the lamb. We have the tongue, we have the neck, we have the saddle, we have the belly of the lamb. We're gonna prepare it together with some carrots from Michel, very special carrots with a very special taste. We made some falafel with it and some smoky harissa and dates. So we're gonna start. We have cooked the falafel, fried it. We finish it off with some sea salt, some lime zest. I'm gonna put it on the plate, like this. Then we have the smoky harissa. We made the classical harissa, but the peppers who are in it, we smoked them 3 times, cold smoked it. We smoked them cold. It's not too spicy. It's a little bit spicy, but not that much. Put it on the falafel. It's a nice combination with the falafel. Then we have the carrot, the special carrot from Michelin. We have some glazed parts of the carrot. Then we have the small fillet from the lamb. Because we never throw anything away, so we give all the different parts from the lamb. For the side dish, we made a cream of lentil and chickpea. And we made it like a harira, a classical harira soup, but then in a cream. We finish it off with the tongue and the neck of the lamb, like a stew. Then this, we have some mint parsley, some salted lemon, some tomato for the freshness in the stew. We finish this off with chickpeas that we cooked, dried and peppered as the crunchy part. And this is it's a side dish that the people have to share at the table. For the main plate we have some Michelin dates. We made some leather of it. Then from the belly from the lamb, we baked it crispy. This is the fillet of the lamb. We put the belly of the lamb over the fillet so it's nice and crispy. Then we have some fresh green herbs to finish the plate. And we have the lamb sauce made from the bones. We finish off with we made the oil of the carrot, of the Normandy carrot. We put it in the lamb sauce. It gives a nice silky flavor to the sauce. So VVP stars, I present you lamb, all different parts from the lamb, the fillet, the tongue, the neck, the belly of the lamb with falafel, carrot from Normandy, chickpea and tomato. Enjoy.